Okay, let's do a quick demonstration on scheduling. So from the launch screen, click on scheduling, then it will take you to the current month view, and we need to be sure and select, you need to have these types of field crew set up, which should be already included with your package. If not, let us know and we can get that set up for you or show you how to do that. But we're going to select installer. Let's select Mitchell for monuments, and phase 6, we use phase 6 to indicate any monument that is produced and ready to be installed. So from here you can build a load on any particular day in one of two ways. So let's build a load for Monday the 3rd, and you can grab and drop it right there on the day and it adds it to that load. We can also select this button and then pick an order, add it to the load in that way. And you can do this for any day. Let's try to add multiple items. So we got 3 we're going to add to that day. So it populates the calendar as you build out your schedule. We try to do 2 weeks in advance, of course. These can change, so if you need to change this load to the 12th, right now the only way to do that is to delete those items from that day and then add them for another day. We're working on a way to be able to move orders and loads around from day to day, because we all know that happens. So let's schedule those, and then let's go back to our orders view. We'll filter by phase 6, and then this indicates that this order is scheduled to be installed Monday, August the 3rd, and this one's scheduled for August the 12th. And hope that helps. Hope it's useful.